No, I have always one concern. I'm just able to talk only few people in the session, not everybody daily. I do not know the situation of other people. So please, if you have any issue, really, you can talk to me. Got it? Roll. Excellent. So what I need to do, okay, we need a icon, right, to change row. Well, icon is anything. You can take anything what you want. This is too big, but I'm going to take it. This is icon, and I'm going to take rows. Mhm. This functionality is not very easy. Where is my photo? Here. You know how to copy paste photo? You know it. I need to put inside image.
Mm-hmm.
File
Yeah.
name is, I paste it 2 times, rows.jpg. You have to put a hyperlink.
Yeah.
My font is very big. Let me make it smaller. 18 is more than enough, I guess. Wow. Yeah. So what I need to do,
You
I
need to
can
add the picture.
somewhere you can add picture. Roll dot roles.jpg.
Mm-hmm.
Roles.jpg. It is 60. Let's see how it looks like.
Okay.
Refresh it. It's coming over here, no?
Mm-hmm.
So, so you can make it more bigger because
Yeah,
we
we're
have a
full
lot of
screen.
height because of.
Yeah.
Hey. So it's done. Now when you click on it, you have two options. Either you can open pop-up,
Is
either you
there
can open
any
the pop.
is there any way to make it so that the text is always at the bottom? Because that power is on the side and then all the other text is at the bottom.
No, no. Actually, it depend on. Isha, you want to put this on bottom? You can do it because it's all about space, right? So
Mm-hmm.
let me try.
You want to do
No, no, we can do that. It's not a big deal. I think you can put a breakpoint, and then
And
this
then
text
it'll
will always come.
automatically.
Ah,
Oh, okay. Perfect.
magic.
Okay. All right.
So, like here, normally you should do with the pop-up, right? But you don't have knowledge of JavaScript, right? That is the
Mm-hmm.
problem.
Right. Right.
So I'm just thinking, okay, I can do without JavaScript then, fine, because you don't know. So my purpose is, I don't know what my purpose. My purpose is I need to see my style of the copy paste. Okay, I need to
Okay.
make the similar page using a style. I just doing change roles, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yep. .js. This is just exactly copy paste of
Sign up.
sign up.
Sign up.jsp.
Mm. Sign up. So here you can write say change role. We should not take much attention. Change role. Done. So you know now you have to make the action. Action for what? If somebody click on this button, no icon.
You
Oh,
can pull up a
yeah.
menu to
Form change.
change form
yeah, href.
role.
Yeah.
Change role.
Change role.
Role done.
For this, can't we just take the edit page we have and remove everything besides the role so that we can just, when they click it, it takes them to a page where they just have to change the roles, hit submit, and then it'll take them back to the sign up page?
No, no, I'm not getting your point. What is that? Can you come again?
Okay, never mind. I'll see how you do it. I'll see how you do it.
Okay.
Okay.
So my intention is I need to know who is going to change the role, right? So what you can send is you can send the username or you can send the
Role.
ID of it. I'm going to pass username as a parameter, right? As we are passing to the delete. Similarly, we are passing here also, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What man?
User.
Username equals use not at all. No?
Mm-hmm.
So you are just hitting this action role.
Right.
This action you have to map to the controller.
Right.
You map. So by default it is get. You know it.
Yep. Get
So
mapping.
if you have practice, then you can do it. If you don't have practice, you cannot do it. Yeah, change role.
Change role.
And your JSP file name is
Sign.
change. I'm doing fast. I know. I'm doing fast. Here you can just put this page, right?
Mm-hmm.
Roles.jsp.
Could
And
you, real quick, could you remind me what the difference between redirect and just return for the pages?
roles means it will go to the JSP file.
No, I know,
That
but
means
yeah.
redirect means you want to hit this action again.
So one will directly take you to the page and one will just do action?
Ah,
Okay.
make a new request. Okay, cool. And here what you need to do is, like here, you need to go to the database and you have to fetch all the role.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have those things, right? We have to make it. So let's work in the backend.
Service.
So my front end is ready. Let's make this much up and running first.
Okay.
This is not, this is just navigation, nothing. So what we are going to do? After that, you click on this,
Mm-hmm.
refresh it first. Hyperlink is not working. Magic. Test. No, here is not working as a hyperlink. I don't know what mistake I did. Let me try. I'm coming to sign up.
Ahref.
Where is my href? I did it somewhere wrong.
No, you should. Oh, you didn't add. Wait,
Oh,
you didn't add a href where image source is.
yeah, we didn't
नहीं तो
commit the hyperlink.
नहीं sir. तो where I did it?
You just inserted the image, Narendra.
No. I remember I was doing some action change also.
Then do Control F and do
Right.
change.
Yeah.
Do Control F.
It's not here. I did somewhere wrong. I don't know even. No. I did. एक second.
Wait, which page are you in? You did. I think you did it in sign up page. I think you did it in sign up page.
That mistake I did. I'm supposed to do here. No, it's fine. Yes.
Okay.
Refresh it. It will become a hyperlink. See, you can click on it. You are coming here. So we need to change it. This should be edit role page.
Right.
So you see my style of coding.
Mm-hmm.
Here, I'm just going to make S2 edit role page. Fine.
Yeah.
And as we discussed today, here you should mention the role ID, RID, role name,
Mm-hmm.
and description about it. And here you can have action, description, action. You need this 4 column. This much. Action. Yeah.
Can't we just copy and paste the role edit that we made in edit profile?
Here, as we discussed today, when you click on it, here you have to show the photo of whom you are going to edit the role. Okay.
Right.
So we'll do it slowly. Even I don't know how to, like if you want to render the pic, and so this is the photo URL. You want to render the pic. You need to fetch data from database, right? We'll do that. Okay. Done.
Okay.
Edit role page. I need your help. Definitely, I need your help.
Okay.
Cool. I need to make my role mapping. Sir, I don't remember. I need a role mapping. Can you help me? Yep, we are expert in that. Let's make the entity. People.
Yep.
Yeah. Entity
Class.
repository.
Role entity. You can make in entity. Sorry.
At repository.
Entity table name equals to roles table, and then you can use private integer role ID private.
So we can't just change the role. Like, why are we changing it this way instead of the old way we were changing the role?
No, role entity we need. You need to have master role, right?
Oh, you want like an admin role?
Yeah.
Okay.
You need this entity, man. Without this entity, you cannot do anything.
It and
And
then
you want to make primary key.
Add
Generate
generate strategy
identity.
auto.
That's fine.
Identity.
Now you want to make a many-to-many relationship, right?
Sign up.
Many-to-many relationship between sign up and role entity.
Yes, sir. Many to many.
So, and don't forget it. Now we can make a role entity repository. How to make a repository? It is cup of tea.
Yeah.
Oh, you see my style of copy paste. So already we have a lot. You can take anyone. The copy, and here I would say
Role
roles do.
Repository.
Yeah, we here you can use role entity. Too fast. Huh. Chalo. Done.
Yeah.
Frontline. My role DAO repository is done. Now we have to establish the relationship. As you know, I am very poor. Don't remember anything. Many to many, I'm going to search it. Fine. Yeah. This link is good. I think in this you have everything. Add place. Many to many. No? We can get unidirectional, bidirectional. Yeah, whatever we'll get, it's okay. So what you need to do is you need
Join
to
column.
take
Yeah.
so basically give me a sec. Basically I want to when I'm loading sign up, when I'm loading sign up, I want to load all the role also. No? Think the way I'm thinking, because I can load sign up entity, and for the sign up entity, what I need to load its all role. Agree?
Right.
So my magic of Google, I'm just taking role entity, nah? And this is roles. One to many we do like this. Nah? Who should load what? Sign up entity should load this. And nah, you can use here array list, you can use here set, whatever. Then sir, nah, getter and setter will be created by.
We have already the role video in that sign.
I'm not getting you. What do you say?
We already had that role variable in that sign up entity, right? So we have to.
Okay. Very good. And I'm going to throw it out. Why? Because if you
we're
have
gonna
this,
have another table.
You have this role, and using this role, you have this user can have only one role. But in real life, it is not correct. One user may have multiple roles, right? Delete it. You're happy?
Yep.
This role I've deleted. It's not required. Thank you.
Okay.
And here you have to do many-to-many relationship. So yes, you guys can say, Nagin, you don't remember anything. Yeah, I don't remember anything. So what I'm going to do? Many-to-many.
Yes, sir.
So basically, like here, cascade all means if you delete a user, you should delete role. That is not correct. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So basically, you can only do, you know, I'm just thinking.
Detach.
Detach, you know, or एक second. I can remove it. Okay. I mean, don't, because I'm telling you what happened. Yeah, you just put cascade all. I'll tell you.
Okay.
And what is the third table name? Ooh,
Roles. Yes.
users, user underscore roles.
Hmm.
User underscore, yeah, sign up. Whatever you want to give, sign up
The
underscore
ID is gonna
roles.
be.
Here we are. And here you have to take primary key of both.
Mhm.
So here you can take primary key of it. And second side, you can take primary key of it.
Role ID.
I think it's RID.
Yeah. RID.
RID.
Yeah.
Nice. Hey, what about other people? Only Pranjal and Daksh? Only these two people are understanding? What about other people? Huh?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, somebody would say, I don't remember the syntax. Yeah, I don't remember as well. I don't remember anything.
Nagendra,
Ready?
why are you using why are you making the sign up entity the child one? Why are you not making the role
No,
as
no,
a
no.
child?
In this, sir, in this, no entity is child. In many to many.
So you
So
just
in many,
choosing any you can choose
in
any of
many,
them.
anywhere you can put. But normally I know if I load a sign up entity, I need role. That's why I did like this. Okay. Hello. Nobody will ask this question. How many people have this role? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
People will ask this person has how many role. That's why I'm doing like this. So in this, we always use third table, right? So
Mm-hmm.
it, you cannot say this is child. No. Both are child. You can think like this. Got my point?
Yeah.
And nothing is child because we are in third table. Make sense? Say
Right.
yes. Makes sense. It is done. Can I run it? Allow
Sure.
me. If I and I don't know. You will help me or not? Okay. So I need to make a a role entity VO also. Allow me. VO is basically used in controller. It is used to make your DAO and service DAO and controller loosely coupled. You know it.
Yeah.
And in
Right.
service we use entity.
VO. Yeah, you know that funda.
Hmm.
Copy paste magic. Lombard.
That data.
Data. Yeah.
Done. Cool. Done. I'm going to write some code.
I think there's a warning in sign up service implementation.java file.
Because I delete role somewhere. Yeah. Hello. Ooh, anybody help me? What I need to do? Even I don't know. Like here, I need to put another service, right?
Mm-hmm. Do you need to auto wire it?
Yeah. Roles.
We don't have a role service though yet.
Yeah, we have to make it. Like here, if you think you can do all this in very hurry, you cannot do it. So role service, we have to work slowly.
Implement role
Add
service.
service. And if you want to perform any DML operation, to use transaction also.
Yeah.
Done.
And does this have to
Hey,
implement role service?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm going to do it. I'm doing a little bit fast. Done. So, hey, what is my intention? Nobody knows.
You need to, I guess, get the role.
Actually, बता रहा हूँ. How I'll get it. I don't know. You have to find all the roles.
Yep.
So you can write a method public list of
Stop. Role
role
entity.
view. Role view.
Role view. Oh yeah.
Fine.
Service.
Find all.
Hmm.
It's not easy. Here you can use private role DAO repository.
Auto wire. Don't forget auto wire.
Yes, sir. Otherwise it will not work at all.
Yeah.
Dot find all. So it will go give you role entity.
Yeah.
There you go. Agar if you know Java 8, right? So what I'm doing, I'm going to convert this into stream. Then you can use map. Map will convert. This is entity, right?
Mm-hmm.
It will convert into entity. You can create an object of role view, right? Role view. Role view. Then you can use bneutral. Bneutral.
That copy property.
Dot copy property. Source is entity.
And target is role view.
Role view and return it. That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Then here what you need to do, and after that, I don't know you know this much or not. Collect, call. You have to do practice. I took 6 sessions for you, and recording is there.
Collect.
After
What is it?
that,
Collect collection of objects of string formatter.
Collectors.
Selectors.
1 to dot
Dot.
To
to
list.
list and return it. So everything I have done in one line. See,
Yeah.
my voice crying. Chew, no, done. Can you see the style? I am fetching it, then I am converting into stream, then converting into the entity. Eventually, I am putting everything in the back, right? So you can do without Java. I have done both the style, okay?
Mm-hmm.
What you got? Find all. Yep. Now, next thing what I need to do. Don't know. Okay, we'll check it, right? Okay, this is cool. So this role service you can auto wire. Where you can auto wire?
Controller.
In the login
In the login controller.
login controller.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You see copy paste. It's done. And then here you can fetch all the role, right? Fine, all. So here you will get list of role
Roles.
entity. Sorry, role view.
Role view.
And this you can put in the model and return back.
Model.
Okay.
And model dot add
Add
attribute. Role view.
Role view.
Like as we discuss, there's a service. I think you can get all the sign detail also. Find by username. So this will give you all the sign up data. The sign up data you can also
Fetch it.
and the GUI. We have enough information, na? Let's go ahead. Cool. You You click on that, right? Now data we have, Mister.
Hmm?
The data we have. So what do you need to do? Help me. I have to populate the data. The first thing, if you want, a loop is there, what you need to iterate? You have to go to the login controller.
Roles.
You can roles view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Role view. Role view. Isko na, the sign up is okay, right? Or if it is confusing, you can do roles, right? I don't have time. Let's do it. I have to make time. Okay. Role. Huh?
Mhm.
What happened to this? Nothing. Yeah, I don't want this photo to. And here you can say role view dot get name or role
Role
view dot
job description.
description bus. यहाँ पे I don't know photo. Okay, Mister. GSP changes. You have to just refresh your
Are we
page.
missing one more thing? RID.
That's and RIB auto incremented.
Oh yeah, we have a count. We have count. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
But it's not working.
Is it roll VO?
No,
Dog yet?
I'm trying. Running it again.
Nagendra, isn't it rollview.get?
Yeah, I thought it was supposed to be roll VO.get, not roll.get.
Yeah. Rollview.get. 9 and 56 and 57.
Okay.
It should be roll, right? You're taking roll from roles, so roll is right.
So everything is right.
Yeah.
Aha, I like it. Oh, because in database we don't have role. I make fool everyone. It's fine.
Yep.
Mister, don't have value right in role. So why it will come? My
Nothing.
database name is
Roles table, I think.
No, sign up roles TBL.
Oh yes. Sign up roles TBL. No,
this is
sign
my
up roles TBL.
this is my table.
Yeah.
Admin. But also,
Employee and customer.
even though I'm taking this much, but later we can add more. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Aha, done. But why it was not coming earlier?
Didn't enter data.
Did I have anything?
Yeah, done.
Sir.
Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of things are coming. Roll not beer, looking very odd. You know this much?
Mm-hmm.
Now here we have to show checkbox. And if you want to show this people photo as we discussed today, so what you need to do?
Image source.
Sign up. Dot. No, you can use EL. No? EL. Dollar. You remember sign up already I added into the request scope. Remember? Forget it. Hello?
Image source. Yeah, sign up photo. Yep. There you go.
You can check it, right? You click on that. Alright. If you want, you can fix the height of it. Hey, you got my point?
Yep.
This is important. Whatever photo is coming, right? Done. Now here you have to make a checkbox. Allow me. Allow me. This is my TD. I want to make checkbox, so I can do input, type, checkbox, and then here you have to give name equals to S role, right? And I want to give what you want.
Value.
Value.
Oh, value, yeah.
Value equals to, value will come from this. Basically, you want to give the get RID. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see this?
Yeah.
When you select it, what would be selected? It will send the role ID of that role.
Mm-hmm.
You can use class call form control. Let's see how it looks like. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Done. You got it or not? Huh? Hello.
Yep.
Oh, what is going to be when you select it? What value it will send, man?
It'll send the
If you
3
check
values
this
in the
role,
table.
yeah, it will give you, if you check it, it will give you the selected ID. My job is done.
Yep.
Let me
We
submit
should
it.
probably also have a. We should
Like-
probably also have a submit button.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
that
need a
should-
submit button.
Yeah.
Need to make a form. Form you can make from anywhere. No?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to make a form. What, man? I need your help.
Action method.
Action we can take same change role.
Yeah, change row.
Change role and method post. Change role method equals to
Post.
And then
past.
form down.
And here you can close it.
Hmm.
And we need a table. Table के बाद we need a button.
Submit.
Yeah, I'm really very hurry. I need a button. Button type.
Submit.
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 And read row plus
Button.
btn,
Success.
btn. Anything right? What do you like then?
Yeah.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
When you submit it, it will go to this action. But when you submit your form, you need you can take a hidden fill ID of the user. How? Input type equals to,
hidden.
this funda?
Yes, sir. We got
Hidden
it.
means it is there, but nobody can see it. So I want
We
to
can see it
take
in the console. So.
sign up ID. Name equals to, name equals to sign up ID and value equals to, like already it is coming in sign up, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you can take, I think, sign up ID. Yeah. Let me show you how it is there or not. SID is not there. I need to look into my sign up entity.
I think sign up entity is RID.
Yes.
Not sure.
History.
Sign up. LID.
LID. Login ID. Yeah, makes sense.
It's too fast. I get bored. यहाँ पे login ID, so you can also use login ID. You don't take anything. Refresh. Like here, if you want to see the value, inspect.
Inspect, yes.
Mm-hmm.
You can check it, man. They have a hidden LID equals to 2. My job is done. And for selected checkbox, you can 1, 2, 3, 4. You got my point. Other people, so when you select it, it will send selected role ID plus the login ID. So here we have S role and LID. To send it, it will go to the login controller. So you have to make another method, man. You see my style. Method is change role and post mapping.
Yeah. And over there we
Mapping.
need cat mapping.
Change role, and here you can do post. right? And what data you are going to pass? You will pass LID as an integer, right? No?
Yep.
And second thing, you are going to pass another parameter, selected role, S role. The S role will also come as a string, comma separated. I know that because it is multiple value. You got a point?
Yeah.
Suppose SIDs, S roles. Anna? What is spelling like that? S role. You got a point? Here S role will come. S role, comma separated, right? Done. Now I need to update this role for the sign up. Allow me. So where I have to go? And after that, you will be redirected to
Show all pages. View all.
sign up. Done. What you need to do? You have to go to the sign up service, Mister. And the sign up service will take 2 parameter. Update role.
Right.
Public. Right. Yeah.
Update role.
Roles. And here you are passing 2 parameter. One is login ID.
Log LID and
S role.
S role.
S roles. S roles is comma separated value, right? 1, comma 2, comma the number of roles selected. IDs, those IDs.
Yep.
So what show, man? Show. Add this method. Okay. God, it was complex. Now what I need to do? Nobody knows. Here
S role.
you know the primary key. Sign up or profile. I need to do sign up dot find by ID. So you will pass LID, right? You would say give me the sign up entity of it. Sign up entity. From sign up entity, you can fetch all the roles, right? Existing role you can fetch. Dot get
Entity dot get role.
So this will give you list of
roles.
Role entity.
Role entity.
It will give you yours, right? Whatever you have.
Yeah, current one.
See current roles. But what we need to do, man, whatever current is there, I don't want that. Okay, what I'm going to do is here you can put a notation or transactional. Agar upar hai, hare hai, already on top of it is there. So what you need to do?
Do you get the information from the JSP and then update it?
I'm crying, right? Like here, using this is comma separated, right? By default, so you can do split and comma. So when you split with comma, it will give you array of roles, right? So if roles dot length is greater than 0, no? So you can make a for loop. How? I'm fetching my all the role.
Yep.
From roles, right? So for every role, here I can auto add my. That's what I'm teaching you. You should know, or you can think role and role repository. You can think like this. Role DAO repository. Role DAO repository.
Semicolon.
Semicolon. Put it. Now what you can do, just go and do find by ID. And you can pass, you have to pass integer, the role, right? So you'll find by ID dot get, because it is written optional. So you will get a role entity, right? Role entity you are fetching, right? All the role entity. And here, no need to fetch it, right? Existing one, forget about it. You do new, right? Mr. Blank. and all the role entity from role ID, I'm fetching all the role and adding into it. Make sense? Hello? I mean, I'm taking ID from ID, I fetch all the role entity from database, right? Now I would say, hey entity, I'm going to change your role. What man? Whatever role you have, your role will be now this
Roles. Okay.
newly selected. Done. Only this much? Yeah. Because I'm running in transaction. Are you following me? If you're running in the transaction, you will load the entity, and if you make the state change, and automatically it will reflect, right? So when
Roles and
we
not C roles.
change the here we have C roles. I did it.
I thought C roles was current role, and when you
Current
update
role.
it, you want the new role.
We deleted
We
it, so we are just making the new list.
Okay.
we are making new list of new selected roles. Old
Okay.
one, I'm replacing old one with the new one. My job is done. Let me try. That's great. Like here, if you, I'm going to change the role of it. And one more thing. Like here, I want to teach you something. If you update relationship, right? So give me a second. It should update the relationship, but it's okay. I'll tell you what I mean to say. Sir, things are not easy. Still, we have to do a lot. Look, like here, who is this?
He's an admin and an employee.
Power. Yeah, na? Java hunk. For the Java hunk, I want to give admin and student two role. Okay, Java hunk.
Okay. Okay.
Here we should print the name of it also. वो तो कर सकते हो, right? Printing name is not big deal. How? All the values are there, right?
Yep.
So sign up and username. Nah? How man? $.
Dot. Yeah, username.
And app dot.
You can print his name. Yep. Yeah.
Yep.
Right. It makes sense. Thoda. Bold. Done. Now what you need to do? If you select this two should be updated into third table. Where we have third table? Is we
The
have third
role
table.
sign up role table.
Sign up role table.
Yes.
Here, login ID and role ID both will be mapped. Cling. You want to see? Yep. Wow. It's not working. No, it's not working. My bad luck. Let me check it. नहीं कर रहा है. It's not working. Select role. No, it's not updating. Let me check it. How dare you? It's not working.
It might be in the update, the login controller.
So I don't know what entity I loaded. Sign up entity. Transaction there. Entity dot red roles. I don't know why it's not working. Do I need to call this method? Ideally, we should not call, but I'm trying. What is it? Whatever entity you have, here you have updated it with the new role. Right?
Right.
I'm running it. Going. You know debug? Because you have to see line by line execution. I'm going to do that. Over here. Oh, I find by. Select this 2, 3. update. No?
Mhm.
I know it's fast, but it's okay. Are debug is not working. I don't know. Actually, I think we forget to not forget to. Where I should go? Login controller. Abey, we are not calling it. My bad luck. You see?
Mhm.
Abey, in service layer, we are not making call. Are you with me? We have to make a call.
To sign up
Dot
service.
role update role. Nah? But you got my mistake, Mister.
Mhm.
I'm not calling this method, man. If I was forget it, that was the issue. But whatever
Okay.
code I wrote, right?
Yep.
And remember, in my sign up service, here this is not required. Okay. What mistake I was doing?
You didn't set up the sign up role.
No, we were not making a call to service. Forget
Right.
to
You're
make the
not
call.
making a call to service.
Now let's do that. Yeah, are you with me?
Mhm.
The mistake. My controller was not calling to
The
service.
service.
Service, yeah.
Now you see query. Like we are na, pushing the code into third table. Na? You got it?
Mhm. Yep.
So the way I was teaching you, it was okay. Na? So then now how many role he has? About two role.
2 roles.
For 1 and 5. 1 and 5.
Mm.
And 1 and 5 you can see in the role. 1 means admin, 5 means the student. Right?
Mm.
So, oh mister, like here, I don't know you are following me or not. What I'm saying, it is updated, right? That's
Mhm.
the
Yes, sir.
problem is if you click on it, right? It is not selected. Why? Because
Um,
because you have to write the code of it, right? You are just showing
Right.
all the data. So
Yeah.
how you
Right.
can say which one is selected? So we have to write a more query.
Okay.
Seven,
Yep.
selected.
Man, I'm very actually when you are coming to the controller. My God, this is a boring assignment. When
It's
you go
about
to
to
the
be 3
controller,
too.
they find by username. Find by username. Here I am getting sign up entity. है ना?
Mhm. Mhm.
So from sign up entity, you have to fetch यहाँ
The
पे
role.
his role also. How? You can say, hey, Mr. Entity, give me your
Entity
current
dot
role.
current
So
role.
it will give you the current role only, selected role, right?
Mhm.
List of, are
Roles.
with me?
Entity.
Selected role, current role, right?
Mhm.
And this role you have to move to GUI. And for this, in sign up entity, allow me. In this, no, yeah, not in sign up entity. Nobody can help me. Nobody can help me. Sign up. Here I have to use. Can you use the? No, you cannot use role because you have to make here
The other role.
list of role.
Yeah.
You want to take entity or sorry, a whole? Somebody saying why not taking whole role view? Okay, let's take whole role view. Huh? Are you with me?
Mhm.
Role. Why is not coming?
The list isn't being imported.
Something is wrong.
There you go.
It's done. No?
There you go.
Very cool. This will take time, sir. We have to take list of. I get tired actually.
Yeah, it's about to be 3 a.m. You have to leave soon too.
Many people are waiting as well. But this is last and fast. How we can do that? We have to fetch, Funda for. But what about other people? Anybody's following me or not?
Yes.
Whole role entity, or you can teach to other people. Role E. But I'm just fetching existing roles which we have in database for these people. And then we can create role view, new role view. Then in the
RE
CS
dot
role views dot add role view. Before that, we have to copy ये वाला
copy properties.
to
I will
RE
title role
and
view.
role view.
and before returning sign up, you can set roles and
roles.
this role you can role view. Done.
Mhm.
Na?
Yep.
So, Mister, what is the benefit now? When you are rendering your role page, we have sign up. Inside the sign up, we have all the selected roles. Okay. So here you have to take the decision. What decision?
You're gonna have to
reply.
you have to
Here
get the role name and description.
Here all the roles are coming, right?
Right.
So like here we have two kind of roles. Let me teach you. One role is all role. Second, you can fetch a role from sign up, right?
Yep.
So sign up is also present inside request scope sign up. So you can fetch your sign up object. Say yes.
Yes.
Yes, I'm telling you in this really there is a lot of things. So I'm able to fetch my my sign up object, right? And this sign up has selected role. What role I have right now? Na? Get role. Got it? So this is also role is in, tell me the difference between both. Tell me between.
I don't know.
Second. Like here we have two role, man. One role, this role is current customer role.
Right.
This role is held by customer and this is total role. Total. Replying. What I said?
That's the first one is current role. The last one is total role.
Total role. Now, I need to check, right? A particular role is present in this role or not, right? How you can check it? Here we can write a function. Allow me. In JavaScript, if you want to write a function, you can use declaration tag. You know what we can use?
Exclamation dash.
Declaration tag. So here you can write public boolean check role. Na?
Yep.
Is exist. Mr. Hero, what this method will tell me? This method will tell me
C role dot
can write
amount.
you can pass two parameter. One you can pass current role. एक second. Give me a second. The role which I'm rendering, it exists in that. Okay, you can pass two things. Na? Let's pass the ID, CID, right?
Okay.
You're asking, hey, this CID is belongs to my current role and this is your current role, right?
Right.
Yeah.
And then your second one is your total role.
And one more thing, that you allow me. I'm telling you again and again. That this I'm having in local variable. You can store in a global variable. Yeah. So this has my current
roles.
My all the roles. And who it is initializing here. Yeah.
Yep.
Got it? It's done. So here you can pass only this role. This role, you are saying, hey, I have this role. This role belongs to whatever role I am rendering, right? Is it belongs to this? Yeah. So what you can do, you can use a for loop. This is my current, this is my all the roles which I have, right? 1, 2, 3, that's it.
Yep.
So I'm going to constitute a loop.
So role VO, current role.
Next time I'll do in other C roles. And here what you need to check?
If it exists, so
If you are comparing the ID.
Yep.
Role view.
Role view
Dot get RID equals to CID.
CID.
Then here you can return true. True means hai. In last you can return false.
Else return false. Yeah.
So this method is going to return true if the role which if I say this role is mine one, yeah, yes or no. So this method you can call here. Like here, you can call this method. So how? Help me. Are you with me?
Yep.
I'm
You
just
need
having a
the
boolean.
descriptor.
What I'm thinking.
Do you need the tag?
Don't cry. The boolean.
Mhm.
You have to say C selected. We have to select or not, right? Who will decide? You can say hey method. No? Hey method. What you have to take? A method, you take my current CID.
Right.
Role dot get
CID.
you take my role ID and you tell me this role ID should be selected or not, right? Now here you can take the decision. You write if else condition. If
C select dot is true.
Wait. Then it is true. Then you can say you selected. Then here you have to write selected. Selected means this checkbox will be selected. Else you have to just write like here.
The old one, yeah, that one.
This will be selected and this will be unselected. When selected, like you can write Java code separately, to scriptlet tag. Otherwise, we can use JSTL. I'm just segregating it, okay?
Okay.
This is one of the best assignment which we have so far, right? And this also. Make sense? Hello?
Yep.
People. Like here I'm fetching my all the role. That's correct. And storing it. This is the function. If you pass it, it will check in my role. This should be selected or not, right? So please have a look on it. Spend your time and let me know.
Is it crying or is it just giving you warning right now?
Warning. This is
okay.
So let me run it. But I'm going to do only this much because it is enough. And guys, you don't worry about it. It's too tough. No. Just have a look on it. Otherwise, next session you can ask me to revise. But code is there. You take some time. You should apply your brain. I want that.
Okay.
Clear?
Yep.
I know everything may not be clear because it was super fast.
Pictures aren't loading.
No, it's not working. Internal error.
Yep.
It is the warning.
It says, wait, something is undefined on signups. It's on the
method get role. No, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's nothing here. Actually, what we did is we deleted the role column. And this role on sign up GSP, we are displaying it again. You know what happened? We deleted the role.
Yep.
And this role still we are
right there.
showing it. Here we have to show all the role. We'll show in the future, not right now. What man?
And get role. Yep.
Here you can
remove
say
that.
coming soon. Or to do. No? And you click on that. Oh, it's
on the
working? It should work.
I don't
it's
think
not
so.
working.
Maybe try doing it on another one. Maybe once you update it to a new one, it'll do it.
I did it. Ideally, it should be selected. It's not working actually. You guys, there is two things. Either I can fix this error or you can fix it.
Okay.
We'll try, sir.
We'll try.
You can try.
We'll try.
Like here, I wrote the code, but my code is not correct. Something is wrong. But you see in the background, it may be working perfectly fine. I updated all the role. Can you see this?
Yep.
To go 4 is mapped with all. No?
Yep.
So you guys have to make it working. Clear? So let me give you this. Really, this was about